2015 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, anti-theft security system, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, hill start assist. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, child safety locks, folding rear seats, power door locks, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.